Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Marchurch here with your outlook for June 16th, 2015. And for your Tuesday, we're going to have a cold front that's going to be approaching from our northwest. This is going to come in a little bit earlier during the day here. Not expecting it to be, it's going to be an afternoon event, but not going all the way deep into the evening. I think it clears the coast this evening pretty quickly. But we'll have showers, a line of showers and thunderstorms that will be along that front here. The global models are a little bit more aggressive with the front as it moves to the southeast here and gives us some showers and thunderstorms all the way into the evening. But the NAM, as you go over the high-res future simulator radar, is not doing so. And this is going to take it into one congealed line here. This is looking at 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and it's moving out by the time we get to 6 p.m. It's already pretty much out of Pennsylvania. And that line has moved further south here. You can see that it extends all the way up from northern New Jersey, all the way back into the Philadelphia Metro, Delaware Valley, into south central PA, and from that point it will continue on in through South Jersey. Here's a look at 8 p.m. and it's just about ready to clear South Jersey. A little stuff hanging on here down to Cape May County into southern Delaware into 9, but then that's about it. This front moves through and it's going to set up a very, very nice Wednesday with mostly sunny skies. You can see nothing on the simulator radar whatsoever. Very nice sunny skies and low humidity. Humidity has been absolutely atrocious the last couple days in several areas, and I know a lot of complaints about that. But we'll have relief here on Wednesday. Wednesday looks to be the pick of the week as far as nice warm temperatures yet, but expecting humidity to be on the lower side. And here's what Wednesday looks like. That's with high pressure up to our north. That's going to be in control of our forecast now. We do have a warm front that's going to be moving through here on Wednesday night into Thursday morning, and that's going to bring this opportunity for showers and thunderstorms. Now, some were speculating that this might turn into a mesoscale convective system. Really not seeing that happening, so I want to step away from that. Mesoscale convective system is the type of system that moves along a frontal boundary typically, and can produce a derecho. Derecho is a long-lasting windstorm that can come through and produce some very high winds over a very large swath, but we're not looking at anything like that Wednesday night into Thursday morning. One of the big reasons is you generally need a lot of instability to work with, and we really don't have that much, especially where storms would have to initiate to our west, and there's very low instability there as well. So we're not expecting that, not coming at a good time, as we're talking about storms moving in after midnight Wednesday night, technically early Thursday morning, and then going through mainly the morning hours here on Thursday. I'll just show you this so we move a little bit forward here. It does show a decent amount of rain with it, and a quick hitter of rain. This is, of course, after midnight Wednesday night, what we're looking at right here, and then this is early Thursday morning. So this is just the remnants of this at this point, and then that moves out. You might have a little bit of clearing here. It might have some partial clearing. It's depending how quickly that warm front moves through. If not, and you're stuck in the clouds all day, temperatures could be held in check with the southeast wind and kind of an onshore flow. Every time you have a warm front moving through, the winds are coming in from this direction. That is off the ocean, that is a marine flow, and that will keep you stuck in the clouds. So if we do any partial clearing up in this area, the only thing that will allow that to do is to get some thunderstorm activity, possibly later in the day here, some scattered thunderstorms, heat of the day type things later in the day. And then this cold front here is going to be moving through early on Friday morning. So once that moves through, we're expecting a nice couple of days here Friday and Saturday with high pressure and control. Now, I do want to step over to another situation here developing, and this is with Tropical Storm Bill. Now, this does have an effect on our area here. Tropical Storm Bill is sitting down here. Is expected to make landfall over the southeastern portion of Texas here, and I'll show you that. Move a little bit forward here, and here we go. It makes landfall here in southeastern Texas. Now, why is that important? I do think this is going to attempt to affect our area here with a remnant rainfall from it over the weekend. Now, this has been a tough call with this, but just using synoptics here, it would make sense that it should pass to our north. The remnants are going to get caught in the plains, and it's going to kind of sit and meander out there for a couple days. And the models currently project this remnant moisture, and you can see it right here. Here's the remnant moisture. We're looking at Friday now. It's going to kind of get hung up in the plains here for a couple days, and finally it's going to get picked up and sheared out by the jet stream. And shunted to the east, but it can't come right through our area from here over right through our area like this. And that's because we have a strong southeastern ridge in place. Now you can't really see it here, but we go over to this, the upper area of vorticity. Here's your southeast ridge that's going to allow, is kind of sitting here like this. This is what's giving us our very warm temperatures. So you have this remnant system. It can't plow through that ridge, so it has to go up and over the top of it, and that's what we think it's going to do this weekend. So when we look at Sunday, instead of it affecting our area, it might not be a good day to be up at the Finger Lakes here up in New York or the Adirondacks. Might be a rainy weekend for at least second half of the weekend for those areas up there, but I do think Sunday here just remains hot and dry for the most part, with just a chance for scattered PM thunderstorms, and that's it. So that's what we're looking at for Sunday. We're kind of following the European model forecast at this time frame because it does attempt to bring this system into our area here. Here's where we are over here, of course, and here's this running through the Ohio Valley. What we're projecting to do is move up and over like this in this direction. Okay, so that'll keep our area in the clear. Might have to watch northern Pennsylvania if it comes a little bit close enough. But this, why that's important is there's some very heavy rain with it, very heavy rainfall, and the European model is keeping it primarily to the north here. But again, you have to watch the northern areas here across northern Pennsylvania, northeastern PA, maybe northern New Jersey for some remnant rainfall from that. Very close call. The models are all over the place with it, so it's something we're going to be monitoring over the next couple days. But it makes sense right now with the southeast ridge in place that this is going to go up and over top of this and might elude our coverage area altogether, and we're just left with some scattered thunderstorms in the afternoon. Of course, Sunday is Father's Day, an important day for outdoor activities and things like that, things to do with Dad. So, you know, it's going to be one of those tough calls we'll have to make as we get a little bit further into the week and a better model agreement. Right now, siding with it heading to our north, but that can certainly change. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich, and that is your outlook for June 16th, 2015. Have a great Tuesday.